This is D Srinivas today extension of our trigonometric exercise problems. Now today I am going to one kind of model question of you, okay, which is useful for board exams as well as entrance exam. Let us see that question. The right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, length of AB equals to 21 centimeter, length of AB equals to 21 centimeter. Now difference of AC minus BC equals to 9 centimeter. To determine the values of sin C and cos C. Okay. Now see given. What is given dear viewers? You have to write. First you have to draw the triangle, right angle triangle. A, B, C. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. In this question, difference theta value is CM. In the question, difference value is C. That is the reason in C you have to keep the theta. Then only we can identify the name the three different sides of a right angle triangle. As you know, this is OS. As you know, this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. Keep in your mind. Chalo. Now, which is given in the triangle? AB 21 centimeter given. AC minus AB equals to 21 centimeter is given. AC minus BC equals to 9 centimeter is given. To find is AB only given. We have to find BC length as well as AC length. We have to find BC as well as AC. Then only this answer is easy for us. Chalo. As you know, by using Bhautayana theorem or Pythagoras theorem, Bhautayana theorem, but now square of hypotenuse AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC, here AC is not there directly. Remember, I will understand. AC is not there directly, so you can write AC. AB 21, AB given 21, 21 substitute. BC also not there directly. From this we have to take BC value. How it is since AC minus BC equals to 9. Okay. BC equals, shall I write AC minus 9? AC minus BC equals to 9. Now I want to BC, I have to substitute here. That is the reason BC is transferred right side, 9 will come to left side. So AC minus 9 will become next step. So you have to substitute. In the place of BC, you have to write AC minus 9 whole square. So 21 whole square, square root of, as viewers, I want to say one good suggestion for you. Square of numbers up to 30, cube of numbers up to 20, every time keep in your mind. Then time of evaluation, time of some sums, it can be useful for you. 21 whole square, square root of 21, square 21 whole square 441. So AC minus AC minus 9 whole square in the form of A minus B whole square. As you know, A minus B whole square formed by A square plus B square minus 2A. In such a way, I should expand it. AC whole square means AC square, 9 whole square means 81. Next, minus 2AB, minus 2 into AC into 9. AC square as is right. Again, AC square is equals to 441 plus AC square plus 81 minus 2 9 18 AC. This is a complete value of this type. Next, what will I here? Similar terms, AC square get cancel. Now, 441 plus 81 minus 18 AC equals to 0. Sum of by 22 minus 18 AC equals 0. Now 18 AC equals to 522. AC equals to 522 by 18. 18 1 is 18. 18 2 is 36. Remember, remainder is 16. Nearest number is 2. 162 it becomes 18 1 is 18. 18 9 is 162. So AC equals to 29 centimeters. Okay, we got AC also. AB given, AC found it. Next, we should find BC. This AC value, I will have to substitute here. You will get BC value. AC minus BC equals to 9. AC value 29 minus BC equals to 9. So BC equals to 29 minus 9. BC equals to 20 centimeter. BC equals to also 20 centimeter. We got it. All three lengths are we got it. Remember, areas, volumes, lengths, perimeter, all should be positive only. Don't get negative values. Remember. Next, I have to continue this question. See, what is asking? Sin C, cos C. Dear viewers, with respect to theta, with reference to C, sin C, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Now cos C, adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side wall is BC. Now hypotenuse wall is ACM. AB length 21. AC length we got now, that is nothing but 29. BC we got now 20. BC 20 adjacent side. Hypotenuse as well as 20. These two are the answers of this complete question. Okay. Once again, we have to little bit. Just right angle triangle let be AB value 21. AC minus BC equals to 9 centimeter. Then determine sin C cos C. By drawing the diagram, you can get a idea. AB is 21. We should find BC and AC with the help of this condition. By using for both the theorem or Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is not there, you can write as it is. AB value given 21. BC also not given directly, but 2 is there. AC minus BC equals 9. BC equals AC minus 9. Some students also to apply AC value also. AC equals to 9 plus BC also correct. AC equals to minus BC transfer right side. 9 plus BC also you have to substitute. You will get first BC value, next is AC value. But I am going to take here BC value, AC minus 9. I have to substitute here. AC minus 9 nothing, whole square nothing but in the form of second algebraic identity A minus B whole square. Expand of this minus 18 AC equals 0, 18 AC equals 522 by 29, 18 1 is 18, 2 is 36, divided 16, here near number 2 becomes 162, 18 9 is 162, AC value is 29, this value is substitute this one, you should get BC. After getting these three sides, remaining two values we have to find very easily. I hope you have to understand this problem, you do practice. Here in the place of minus you can take plus BC. Okay, instead of AC minus BC you can take AB minus BC. Also you have to practice it, then you will get such a beautiful answers. Okay, I will understand.